Hi guys, Speedy Duck here, out on the Tuono. I said on a previous video I'm still testing out my DJI mic and camera positioning, and we're out on the Tuono v4. Let's go! Beast of a bike, this thing. Take it easy, take it easy. Sounds beautiful when it's opened up and that valve is open. It's not one of those little valves, you know, in the exhaust. When you open her up, it just comes alive. And this thing, when you're going some, it's a lot smoother when it's going some. If you take, the slower you go, the harder it is to manage, to be honest. Take it easy around here, there's a van in front of me. What you find on that bend there is tractors or lorries coming towards you on the same side of the road as you. I've had that a couple of times. Listen to that sound. I don't know if you can hear it really. I hope my mic is, I don't know if I can feel my mic. Is it still there? Can I see? Yeah, it must still be. Well, if it's gone, it's gone. Listen to it. I'm supposed to be selling this bike. Oh god, I was gutted about the jigsaw going, but this thing, it's more about, like I said, my missus thinks it's a bit too fast. I would say I agree with her. You know, it's a bit too much for the road, but you know, for a little blast every now and again, I mean, that felt good. You know, I didn't get out of third gear. It doesn't need to get out of second gear, to be honest. So yes, it's too fast for the road. But, you know, that noise, you pay for that noise. If I go back and buy another jigsaw again, oh, look at the fire up there. Look at the fire up there. What road is that on then? If I go, oh man, that's a proper fire, that. Well, I might have to go and take a look at that, figure out which road it's on. I think I know where it is. Anyway, yeah, no, this noise, oh, you don't get tired of that, do you? I hope it comes out on the camera alright, and I hope the camera position's okay as well. Every time I do a video, something is not right with it. The other day, it was a cable in front of the camera. So the DJI mic, you need a 3.5, is it 3.5 mil or something? Cable to connect it to the receiver, to the camera, and then it's Bluetooth then for the microphone, which is in my helmet. Well, the cable was in front of my camera, so everything recorded with the cable in front of it. Bikers, yeah, look. Nods anymore. Barely anybody nods at you. Barely anybody nods at you. Oh my god, it's so addictive, this noise is. Oh. So, you know, when I come to sell my bikes, right, I sit there and I sell them at night. I'm on Facebook at night and I'm looking at other bikes. Oh, I need this, I want that, and oh, I'll sell this, I'll sell that. And the thing is, it's out of sight, out of mind. You know, you don't use them for a while and you think, oh, I'll get rid of it, there's a bit of money in that one, I'll sell that one. But then you come and do this on it, and you think, I can't get rid of this. There's no way I can get rid of this. That bend there and here is always rough. Oh, I'm in 4th gear, I didn't know I went that high. Let's go down a gear. Too. This bike's well comfy. Where your knees are locked into the tank, you can really grip onto the bike. You know, you can just get it round the bend lovely, just by gripping onto it there. Van coming. A bit hot into that one then. The brakes are awesome on it, mate. The brakes are awesome. Look at this here as well. So one thing about, you know, your local roads, you know, when you're on them enough, you kind of know where the hot spots are, where you just gotta take it easy a little bit. Where you know something might come towards you, where the little bumps are in the road, like there, look, little dip there. Look at the mess of the road there, look. God, I haven't been up here for ages. I'm taking this off Marketplace, to be honest. I've got a few people interested. I seen one of these the other day going for 6.5. Oh my God, I'm selling mine for half that. I mean, his had a few thousand less. It's sold for 6.5. Anyway. Yeah, so if you'd like to see more videos, whoa, look at all this here, talking shite, maybe having the cameras not in the right position, and I don't know, the microphone not working or whatever it is, or me just riding this bike and talking shite over the top of it. If you'd like to see more of that, like and subscribe. Over and out.